How to get unblocked from TikTok shop. Start by heading over to your application TikTok. Make sure that you are using the updated version. Once you have been logged into a specific account, now head over to Profiles at the bottom right corner of the screen, and then click on this 3 horizontal line at the top right corner of the screen. Move into Settings and Privacy at the bottom. Once you are in here, scroll all the way down to the bottom and then click on Report a Problem. Wait for a while for it to load. It will land you on this page. Once again, scroll all the way down to the bottom and click on Chat with Us. Now in this page, you will be able to contact with TikTok customer support. You need to state the problem that you have been facing on TikTok. If you don't know what to write, then simply copy and paste the thing I have written and then tap on Send. Once you have sent all the issues that you have been facing, you will need to follow the on-screen process of the TikTok customer support. Tap on How to access TikTok shop. It will show you the reasonable answer to you. Right now, the TikTok shop is not available in my region. But for you, if it was blocked, then follow the on-screen process of TikTok support, and after that, you'll be good to go. So that's the wrap for this video. If it was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.